It's Monday morning, 3 minutes to go to the opening bell. Virtually no movement on Wall Street thus far. Keith Fitz joining us today. What's more important this week, the Fed or Nvidia earnings Wednesday?
No question, Nvidia earnings. The Fed is a sideshow, Stuart.
You really think that Nvidia could be make or break for this market?
Very definitely, and here's why. It's not even about the numbers, it's about the psychology, because AI has captured the public's imagination, Stuart. If they come in with the numbers that are even halfway what I think they're going to be, then boy, it's gates open, horses run.
You're expecting fantastic numbers, are you?
I am. I'm expecting very, very strong numbers. I'm expecting revenue maybe 250% what it was last year. I'm expecting earnings to be up maybe 450%. And, you know, if that trajectory continues, this is going to be unstoppable.
But it won't be just the numbers. Is there going to be a call? I mean, there usually is a call, a guidance call right after the numbers come out. Is that where the real importance lies?
Well, it does lie there for the next 30, 60, 90 days, right? Because big technical traders want to know what happens in the next 24, 48 hours. But the investors, that's where you really want to focus, because as the CEO lays out guidance for the next year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, that's the part you want to focus on as an investor. And I think it's going to be very, very strong.
Okay, why no impact from the Iran situation so far? I mean, I've seen oil actually down a little today. Well, why is that?
You know, that's an interesting one. I still don't have all my phone calls back yet. I've been talking to traders around the world trying to get a beat on that. But I think that global markets are uncertain where the power actually resides in Iran from a trading perspective. So it's not clear how that's going to impact oil contracts yet.
Is it possible that Iran, being the bad guys in the Mideast, look like they're divided and that they're vulnerable, and that America and Israel may prevail here, and that's good news for the market? Is that a possibility?
I think that's absolutely a possibility. I think it's the one thing Iran does not want to see happen, because if the rest of the Middle East unites and if the perception is that America and Israel prevail, then it has the incentive to stir things up even worse than it already has. If, on the other hand, they can preserve the status quo, they can somehow alter or manipulate the news feed, then I think it's game as usual.
Are you buying anything today, or have you bought anything today already?
Not yet, but the moment I get off the air, I'm going to be taking a look at my purchasing list, including Nvidia.
Okay, let's see how it works out. Keith, thanks for joining us. See you again real soon. They're clapping, they're cheering, they're going to open this market in literally just a couple of seconds. You'll see, as we always say,